Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're going through some incoming happy mail. Happy Saturday. Everything came inside of a box, but you guys know that I'm super impatient. I went through it and I'll show you guys how fun the little mix is in the box and the green tissue paper, which of course I will be saving all of it. So I have laid everything out on the table just to not make the video super long, but you guys look at all these amazing goodies. First thing you see here is this beautiful box that she made, and I'm not sure if you guys remember, but I'll link down below what I sent her. It's the packaging up video that I showed you guys. That was for Lisa. I'll have Lisa's link down below so you guys can check her out. She's super crafty and you guys should definitely go follow her. So this is the little box that she sent me. It says follow your heart. Look at all those beautiful details. This is the, I think the Chasing Dreams paper. But look how beautiful, you guys. The little tool in the back. I love it so much. And look what it says. Goodies. Isn't that adorable? All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to open it up. And see what we have. This is so cool. OMG. You guys, look how beautiful. Are you guys seeing that? This is amazing. There's some little sequins jars. Oh my God, there's so many goodies here. Let's see how this is attached. I don't even know where to go. There's two little sequence mixes here. This is what they look like. Super cute. I have these little jars, but I don't have them rounded that way. How fun. I'm gonna put them back just so they stay right there. And then I think maybe we're supposed to untie the bow to take the stuff out. Yes, I think we are. And we have some handmade embellishments that she made. Oh, this one is, I think, stuck to the box, but I'll show you guys. It's those cute little, like, metal, I don't know how else to call them, but like little metal rosettes. It says love, love, love. Beautiful. Then we have in here, wait, let's do this one. Oh, look at this tag. This is super fun. I'm like in total shock, you guys. This is like so beautiful. Lisa is super talented. I love her work. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Look at the sequins. I love that. What a fun way to send some sequins to a pal. Let me put that over here. And then she sent me a shaker in the shape of an L. Do you guys see that? She decorated with some pom-pom trim. This is super cute. Thank you so much. I love that. And then there's this cute little baggie and it says delightful and it has one of the little Maggie Holmes flowers. And let's see. Oh, it's just like a bunch of little die cuts and stuff like that. We got some hearts that you can like prop up. Look at that one. Look at this one. Cute little butterflies. More hearts, more butterflies, stitched circles. And then we have like a bunch of little tiny ones in the inside, which I won't be taking out of the bag, but you can see them right there. More butterflies and little circles. There's that one. And then we have two little embellishments here. Another one of those cute little hearts. And look at this one, you guys, with the little tool. So beautiful. You guys have to definitely go check her out. I'm gonna tie this back this way because I don't want anything falling out, and I definitely want to be able to take a picture because I did not take a picture of the inside of the. So beautiful. I love this idea. Look, you guys. She sent me a little tiny piñata and she made it into a unicorn. Isn't that cute? I love this so much. I just made one. You guys know that I showed that I made mine. Look how cute. Now they're not alone. They are two brothers and sisters. She sent me 2 washi tapes. Look how beautiful these are. Love the colors. Why are you not focusing? There you go. So fun. And then in this one is more goodies. Oh wow, look at this, you guys. It's like a little shaker and it has my name on it. How fun is that? Lisa, I love this. So cute. And it says, I can't see because what the name says. I think it says from the flower named Lily, symbol of, oh, I can't see it. Is it innocence, purity, and beauty. Whoa. I didn't even know that. How cool is that? I love that so much. OMG. She made me some tags. Let's see what we have here. Look how detailed they are, you guys. These are beautiful. I love these so much. And look at these with a little tool. And we have this one. And I love how she sent me some extras that I can decorate myself, because I don't have any of these tags. So thank you so much for that. I'm just gonna put this aside. I'll package that later. Then we have this one. I think these are my memory decks cards. Yes, they are. We swapped, I think it was 3 memory decks cards. I don't have a circle memory decks card. Look how cute, you guys. This is beautiful. Remember this day. Love this. Love this, love this, love this. I cannot wait to put that on my ring. My memory decks holder, not a ring. Look at this one, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? I'm not gonna take that one out. And then this one I'll take out. OMG, it's a heart-shaped memory decks card. And it says, well, hello there, lovely. Look at that. Lisa, you did such a good job on these cards. They're so beautiful. I cannot wait to put them on my little holder. And look at this mix, you guys, that she sent me. It's so pretty. I love the colors. And you guys, look, Queen of the Craft Room. Isn't this adorable? I love this. If you guys hear that, that's my neighbor. Look, you guys. She made me like a chipboard letter, decorated it. It's the L. She packaged it up so cute. She put some sequins mix in it. Oh, this is beautiful. Everything is so beautiful. She sent me some chocolates. The Ghirardelli. How cute. I love his green little, his teal blue bow. Thank you. Who doesn't love chocolate? And she sent me a piñata, you guys. Look how cute. It's a little cupcake piñata. I love the colors. And she stuffed it with candy. My daughter's going to have a field day. This is beautiful. And then there's this one. Look, you guys, how she packaged it up. And it's all stitched up. So I'm going to open it from the bottom because I don't want to. Ruin it. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got some little cutter parts from the Chasing Dreams. Oh, thank you. I love these. You can make so many things with cutter parts. You can make them into shakers. You can add them to your projects. Cut them up. Use them for so many different things. Thank you so much for these. Put this like that. And then she also sent me this super cute Hello Sunshine Heidi Swap. Is it like a, yeah, like a wood veneer. Isn't that cute? I love that. So fun. You can paint it and add it to a project. And you guys, how awesome is she? Me and her, or her and I, were discussing about this when I first got my memory decks holder, and I couldn't find the die, and you guys, she found it for me and she sent it to me. Thank you. Oh my god, I got the punch and now I have the dies. This is awesome. I'm in the middle of a memory deck swap right now, so I'm definitely gonna put these to use tonight. But yeah, you guys, this is my amazing swap with Lisa. You guys should definitely go check her out. I'll have her link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Enjoy your weekend, you guys. Bye.